Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys what Tiny Task is, as you guys have heard it in multiple different videos, and how to use it. So Tiny Task is this little thing here, right? And when you record it, it'll play movements of your cursor. Like see look. So then when I click record, and then I click play, it'll follow my cursor movement, right? So now that I've shown you what Tiny Task is and what it does, I'm going to be going into like a game to show you what floors are Tiny Taskable with certain loadouts. And I'm going to be trying to make a cool little macro for floor 2, floor 1. And we're going to see what I can do. And I'm trying to do it without secrets because with secrets makes it a little more complicated. So, to set up your Tiny Task, what you're going to want to do is position your character in a spot where you can place everything. You cannot move your screen or mouse when doing this, see? So, when you do this, I'm going to then just place stuff here, right? I'm going to try and do it slower because, like, if you have a really bad computer, the more complex the movement, the harder time that your PC is going to have, PC, laptop, or whatever you're using is going to have. So, right now, I'm placing down Hello Kitty right here, right? And I'm going to make this Duchess, Crimson Duchess, my main unit that's going to kill the funny face, right? So, say I were to get this to work, and it were to take like 2 minutes to kill the boss and everything, then you would probably make about 80 to 100,000 coins from AFKing the whole night. And the way I'm doing this right now is I'm doing it to where most people can do it. You can also Tiny Task floor 1 if you want, but you'll make like about 70,000 coins. So what I would recommend is this floor because you get voodoo tokens as well as coins. Everything helps. And you get page things and a bunch of other stuff. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to max this out to where I'm not put in the position where the scare bear or funny face gets to the end. So what I'm trying to do is make it a simple macro, simple enough to where my computer wouldn't crash overnight or it would mess up to where I lose some games but then win some. So what I'm trying to do is make it a nice, simple Tiny Task with units that most people should have. But if you don't have it, then just macro floor 1, like the regular floor 1 mode. Like that would help you more. See, so now that we're on the boss wave, I should be able to beat it with just 2 mythics, right? And then the way you're going to want to repeat it is you're just going to click play again, and you're just going to record it. So now we're going to see how it worked. Did it work or not? So, it should do exactly what I did last game because my cursor movement was the same last game. And because I positioned myself, I'm going to stay in this exact position all night long if I were to AFK all night. And it should work like a perfect macro. This works on desktop, whatever you can really get the Tiny Task software on. I can also show where you want to get the Tiny Task software, and the Tiny Task software is always in the download section of your files. So it's simple to to get again. You don't have to go re-download it. All you do is just go to your files, downloads, and click it. I'm going to show you guys how to get Tiny Task after I'm done this. And I'm going to hope that this is helping you guys out because I haven't ever heard of the YouTubers like making an actual tutorial like for Tiny Task. So I just wanted to help make it a little bit more simple. See, and look, this seems to be working perfectly fine, and it should be ready to macro all night long. So after this, I'm gonna show you how to change your preferences to where you don't have to sit here and click play again every single time. You can put it on a continuous loop. Just know, always leave a little break period in between when you're upgrading stuff, to where whenever you're done with it and it's on a continuous loop, you can then just click the application and close it out. Because if not, then it'll be a struggle and you'll have to reset your whole computer. And who really wants to do that? Alright, now it's going to click play again, and it should pop up the tiny task. Once again. So where you change your preferences to continuous playback is right here. And if you're wondering how to get it, you just go into your Google, and you just type in tiny task, right? And you can get and you can get the whole recording software right here. Alright, that right there, folks, is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this helps you out. Peace.